Hi, my name is Annie Aslanian. I just wanted to share my thoughts with you. My vision has been terrible, terrible, terrible. In 2003, I actually had a LASIK done through another doctor. I went through every extreme. My vision dropped year after year. 2 years ago, I was at the Middle East and I went to the most incredible doctors over there, but unfortunately, they told me they cannot do anything to my eyes due to prior to the procedure in 2003. And the procedure that was done, it was a non-FDA approved. And I struggled all these years. I was referred to Dr. Khanna about 2 weeks ago, and the procedure and the commitment that he acquired to me and said, "You're going to be fine. I promise you. I will gradually get you to 2020. On March 30th, I actually had my procedure done. I cannot believe this. For the past couple of years, I've been struggling. I couldn't read anything, even with my +4 glasses, prescription, contacts. I had no vision whatsoever. But it was such a miracle that Friday morning when I woke up, I could see everything, every bottle, every glass. I could read everything. It's just such an incredible journey for me. And I know I have to maintain with him for a couple of months just to make sure for me to get up to 2020. I highly, highly recommend him, seriously. And I'm very picky. I like perfection, and I'm looking forward to that. And just wanted to say thank you to the whole staff. Ted was just incredible. I was very happy with him. Just during the cycle, the transition, everybody made it so much easier. I was nervous at first, but they treated me so well, like a little baby. Right now, I'm the happiest person on this earth. Right now, my vision is approximately 2025. Being the surgery that I just did on the 30th, I am overwhelmed, very excited, and thank you again, Dr. Khanna. I really, truly appreciate you. And if anybody wants to have a surgery, it's the best place to be, I guarantee you. Thank you.